Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Facebook from the multiple accounts that are currently logged into. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. The first option is actually quite easy. All you gotta do is to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then when you are at the landing page of your account, all you gotta do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page and simply you wanna click logout, as you can see over here. But this only works if you have only one account currently logged in. Let's presume you have multiple accounts. You have different Facebook pages, Facebook accounts, and you want to see which device is currently logged into what kind of account. All you gotta do is to again go all the way up to the gear icon, and then you want to click on it. Okay. Then you want to click on Meta Account Center. Then you want to scroll down at the account settings and you want to select password and security. Then you want to go ahead and click on where you're currently logged in. You want to click on this one and you will find all the accounts, all the devices that are currently logged into this particular device or this particular account. There is a multi-login function, meaning I can simply switch from this account if I'm logging here through 5 different Instagram pages, through 3 different Facebook accounts, to 2 different Facebook pages. So you will be able to see here and you will be able to click on the account and log yourself out from these devices, log yourself out from these accounts. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.